Top 3 best apps to learn ASL. If you've ever thought about learning American Sign Language ASL, whether to communicate with a friend, help out at work, or just explore a new language, using the right app can make a big difference. Sign language isn't just about hand shapes, it includes facial expression, body movement, and real conversational flow. Today we're exploring the top 3 best apps to learn ASL, what each part does well, what to watch out for, and who each is best suited for. 3. The ASL Video Learning App. At number 3 is an app built primarily around video lessons, clear demonstrations of signs, finger spelling, vocabulary, and basic dialogue. These apps let you watch, mimic, and practice basic ASL at your own pace. Advantages: they're very beginner friendly. You'll see signs in motion, often from fluent signers, and you'll learn essential vocabulary and finger spelling. For people who are completely new to ASL, this kind of visual learning is ideal. It gives you confidence with the manual alphabet, key nouns, and everyday phrases. Disadvantages: video-only apps tend to have limited interaction. They might show you how to sign but not give you opportunities to practice conversational skills, receive feedback, or engage in real dialogue. If you want deeper fluency, they'll only take you so far. Ideal user: someone who is brand new to ASL, wants to get comfortable with finger spelling and basic signs, and prefers self-paced video lessons over structured courses. If you want to dip your toes in and start learning vocabulary, this is a solid pick. 2. Interactive ASL Course App. In the number 2 spot is an interactive ASL course style app that combines videos with quizzes, interactive tasks, dialogue practice, and possibly live signing exercises. These apps aim to move you beyond just memorizing signs and push you toward understanding sentence structure, receptive skills, and basic conversation. Advantages: the interactivity improves retention. You watch a sign, practice it, complete exercises, and then apply it in context. Many of these apps include features like a mirror mode, so you can check your own signing, quizzes to test accuracy, and lesson tracks that build systematically. That means you're not just learning a list of signs, you're learning how to use them. Disadvantages: these apps may require a subscription to access full content. They also expect more commitment. You'll be doing active learning rather than passively watching. If you skip lessons or don't practice, you might not progress as fast. Ideal user: a motivated beginner who wants more than just surface level skills. If you've learned some signs already or intend to use ASL in real interactions with deaf friends, volunteer work, or in your job, this app gives you a deeper foundation and better preparation for real life signing. 1. Comprehensive ASL Learning and Practice App. Taking the number 1 slot is a comprehensive app designed for serious progression in ASL. These tools offer full lessons from beginner to intermediate. Include vocabulary, grammar of ASL, conversational videos, signer feedback, practice modules, and often community or peer practice features. They're built for learners who want real skill rather than hobby level. Advantages: this app covers all the key areas: vocabulary, finger spelling, receptive skills, understanding other signing, expressive skills you signing, grammar unique to ASL, cultural context, and real-world conversation. You may get interactive features like live chat with signers, peer review, or signing exercises with feedback. If you commit, you can gain solid functional ability in ASL. Disadvantages: with greater depth comes greater time investment. You'll need to practice regularly, review materials, and attend to nuance in expression and body language. Some features may be behind a paywall, and you might need to supplement with real interaction or live classes to reach advanced levels. Ideal user: a learner committed to using ASL for real communication, whether in a deaf community as part of your career or for meaningful personal connection. If you want to become conversational and understand signing in real contexts, this is the best route. Final thoughts. So there you have it, the top 3 best apps to learn ASL. A video-only app #3 is ideal for starting out and learning signs. An interactive course app #2 is great for structured learning and practice. A comprehensive ASL app HI is perfect for building real skills and conversation ability. Before you choose one, think about your goal. Do you want to sign basic phrases? Do you hope to communicate with signing friends or work in a setting where ASL matters? How much time will you commit? Choose the app that fits your commitment, your daily schedule, and your learning style. With the right tool and steady practice, you'll work your way toward meaningful signing. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more.